in December of 2011, I was just found out that I was pregnant. It was early on, and I was having very, very bad headaches and really nauseated. The doctors told me it was very typical for someone in their first trimester, and that these headaches weren't normal. I just couldn't take the pain any longer, and long story short, ended up in the emergency room with just a horrific headache. They did an x-ray on my head, or MRI on my brain, and found out that it was a huge baseball-sized tumor actually on the right side of my brain, and was moving into the left of the cortex there, and found out that it was a glioblastoma brain tumor, and they had to do surgery right away, and we ended up losing the baby. It's been 18 months altogether, and I'm now on just an oral chemotherapy at this point. So you can imagine being diagnosed and losing the baby, and then having brain surgery and trying to recover from that. My husband and I were a bit overwhelmed, to say the least. And my best friend and another girlfriend of mine, who I'm very close with, came to me with this mylifeline.org and suggested we use the site. And they said, don't worry about anything, we'll set it up. And then all you'll do is basically update it with whatever news or how you want it to be updated, and that way you don't have to take all these calls that you're going to get, and everybody wants to know everything going on, and it's one way to just communicate all of the information out to everyone. So it's been unbelievable, and my husband has felt like being able to have guests leave comments and messages has been a way that he's been cheered throughout this journey. With this cancer that I have, the glioblastoma stage 4, if you look it up, it's a very grim diagnosis, and most people would say that I would not have lasted to live as long as 2 years. And I'm beating the odds, and I'm going to continue to beat the odds. And I love mylifeline.org. I'm going to continue to use it, I hope, for the rest of my life as I continue my treatments. And I hope that other cancer patients will continue to use it. And we need people to donate towards this site, as it is a nonprofit, and so that we can continue to use it, because it really is an amazing site for cancer patients.